What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our On the Road to ATD24 video series. If you're gearing up to join us in New Orleans for this year's conference, you might be asking yourself, how do I figure out what to do at this year's conference? Never fear, we've got you covered. In this video, we're sharing our list of essential tips to help you make the most out of this 4-day global event. Tip number 1. Download the ATD24 conference mobile app to help you save time and stay organized before you arrive in the Big Easy. Be sure to keep an eye out for details delivered right to your inbox about how to download the conference mobile app and build a profile to connect with other attendees. Browse and select your favorite sessions and exhibitors to create your own itinerary. On site, use the app to help you check out what's going on throughout the day, explore maps of the conference and exhibition floor, take notes, and download resources and slides. If you're looking for an easy way to stay connected to everything there is to explore and discover, you've got everything you need right here in the palm of your hand. Tip number 2. Whether you're just starting out or looking for resources to help elevate your career or make a change, the Career Center has got you covered for all of your career development needs. Attend professional development sessions with well-known speakers and pick up helpful resources on developing your personal brand, your resume, and creating a portfolio. Resume experts and ICF credentialed coaches will be on site to answer your questions and offer coaching sessions. Appointments are limited, so book your coaching or resume review session at the Career Center or on the conference app early to lock in your reservation. Tip number 3. Explore the ATD store for all of your reading resources and souvenirs. From cutting-edge research reports to bestsellers and the coolest ATD swag, there's something for everyone. Make sure to mark your calendar for the opening reception on Saturday, May 18th, and be sure to make time for the chance to mingle with authors at several author meet and greet sessions and book signing opportunities throughout the event. Tip number 4. Network, network, network. ATD24 is the perfect place to meet new people, share ideas and insights, and collaborate with others. Attendees make lifelong friends, find mentors, and unlock new opportunities at this event. From community meetups to our annual networking night at Mardi Gras World, there are plenty of opportunities for casual conversation or some serious networking. Networking night tickets are limited, so be sure to secure your spot early. For tip number 5, take time for yourself away from the bustle of the conference. Be sure to check out all our new offerings this year, including ATD24's Wellness Challenge, Sensory Room, and the chance to book a tour of New Orleans with peers. Also available is ATD at Play, ATD Conference's Fun Zone to hang out, relax, and recharge. You can play old arcade games, test out VR experiences, and the best part, you get to play with puppies at the puppy park. Take a break from all the learning and visit the TD for Good booth for easy and fun activities and support the local New Orleans community. Fill your heart and help others, all while at the conference. In this video, we shared top tips to conquer ATD24, so let's recap. Tip number 1. Download the ATD24 conference mobile app. Tip number 2. Visit the Career Center. Tip number 3. Stop by the ATD store. Tip number 4. Network, network, network. And tip number 5. Be sure to take a break. Visit our ATD24 website to explore even more of what you can expect at this year's conference, and be sure to register so you don't miss this premier event. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when our next video drops. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jess Thompson with ATD, and we'll see you in New Orleans.